Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on guard when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, I put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on, my bad, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, working all day. Makeup stained sheets and tear-soaked cheeks, desperate for the dawn to bring back dignity. Time and time again I relapse, but love has never left me.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Neatandsleek. Shout out to you, Neatandsleek, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. This is my first time working with this company, but I was really excited to work with them because they definitely come through when it comes to the braided wigs. Like, they always come through with the come through. So shout out to them, and now we can get into this unit. Okay, so they sent me a little paper, you guys. Know I live for a paper, okay? I live for a paper. I love when a company sends me the information on a piece of paper. It just does something to me. Okay, so it says wig type is lace front wig, 13x6. The length is shoulder length. The hair color is a 1B. The cap size that I personally have is cap size medium. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go on their site so I can give you guys a little bit more details about it. Okay, so on their website, it says wig type is lace front wig, 13 by 6. As I stated, the color is 1B. It's a shoulder length unit. It says, please note, you may feel it heavier compared to your own natural hair braided. The density is full. And it is sort of heavy, noticeably heavy. It's not like something that I couldn't deal with, but it is noticeably heavier than you know, your average unit, or even, you know, getting your hair braided. It has some weight to it, and it does say that it is 0.65 kilograms. So keep all of that in mind. And it looks like they only have this unit available in 13 by 6, and it only comes in this length and the same color that I mentioned. You can't get it in any other colors. Now, as far as cap sizes, it does have a small and a medium available, but you can also get a custom size. Now, note, if you decide to get this unit customized, that it is an additional $27.99. So I want you guys to be aware of that. And then they have the choices with the baby hairs. Now, I'm not sure if you guys noticed or paid attention, but on their site, when you see the unit, they have the baby hairs kind of braided. You can ask for sparse baby hairs or none. You can just say, I don't want any baby hairs. That is an option as well, and it doesn't look like that is an additional charge. And then they have on there golden yarn, and you can just kind of choose like any accessories that you would like to get with this particular unit. So just kind of be mindful of all that stuff. I wanted to point all of that out so you guys were aware of it. Okay, so as far as shedding and tangling, girl, it's a braided wig. There are none of the things with that. And that's one of the things that I always like about braided wigs, is that you don't have to worry about, I feel like they last way longer than your average unit, you know, because you don't have to worry about the shed and the tangling that you would normally have to worry about with a regular type of unit. As far as it being big head friendly, I feel like if you got the medium cap size, that the unit will work for a bigger sized head. But get what you need, get what you want, because I am an average cap size, so obviously it will work for me because it is a medium. But to me, I do think it is big head friendly because I did have to adjust the straps. And like I said, they do have the option of getting a smaller cap size, and that's not an additional charge. But if you do decide to get it customized, then it is. So just be mindful of all that. Now, with the baby hairs, I did not tweeze any of them, and I just did decide to do a little ghetto look. You know, sometimes I'll take it there, girl, okay? Sometimes I will take you to my ghetto fabulous baby hairs. But I wanted to also just point out with the styling of this unit, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do another style for the pictures, but you have a lot of space, and it just looks really, really good and really, really natural. The parting of these units are pure perfection. Like, whoever did that, I wish they would do me a parting class. Because your girl can't part to save her life. That is not my forte, okay? So, yeah, I love how they parted this particular unit, just because it just looks really, really neat and sleek. You get what I'm saying, girl? So, yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you are interested in my pros and cons with this wig, as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so you guys know, if you've been watching me, that I like to start with the cons because I like to end on a high note. My one and only con with this unit would probably be the baby hairs. And that was just me trying to find or think of something, honey, anything. And it would be the baby hairs because they are super, super thick. And, you know, not everybody likes that. So you would have to tweeze it because the options are sparse or none. So that would be my only con with this wig, is that you would have to put in a little bit of work to tweeze down the baby hairs a little more. I did not, because I want you guys to see what you would be getting, like what they would look like, what you could possibly do with them. But I would recommend you tweezing them to get a more, you know, not so extra look, because you don't want an extra look all the time. Sometimes I am extra, sometimes I want a little extraness, and sometimes I want to be just a regular Virgo me, okay? So just keep that in mind, keep that in the back of your head. As far as my pros, honey, it's everything else. Everything else. I love the locks. I love how nice and neat the parting is. I love how easy it was to style and put this unit on. I love how they did the locks. I just love everything about this unit. So it's literally everything other than the baby hairs. I'm not even that mad at the baby hairs, but I had to have a con. So, like, everything about this unit to me is definitely just given. Okay, she's just serving, girl. She is serving the girls. I would definitely recommend this unit. And even if you're not a faux lock girl, or that's not the style you're looking for, but you do like the braided wigs, I think this is one of the best companies as far as braided wigs go. I have seen so many different looks from this company with different types of braided wigs, and they never disappoint. I don't think anybody would be disappointed in getting a unit from this company. So yes, I would definitely recommend this wig or any other wig from this particular company. So now we're gonna get into this full 360, okay? So we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, like I stated, I am definitely feeling this unit. It is definitely giving me all the vibes that I needed in my life. Let me know down below what you guys think about this unit, and let me know if you guys have ever purchased a unit from this particular company. I am interested in hearing your thoughts and opinions. Once again, shop Neatandsleek for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If any of you guys are interested in purchasing one, I will have a direct link to this wig down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button so it's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Miss T on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.